Qualities of data analysts. Well, let's start with number one. Data analyst is not a tech role. Well, you must be wondering why that is the case, because as a data analyst, you have to learn SQL and Python and some other coding language in some cases. So why is this not considered a tech role? The problem is, and this is something that I learned after starting a career, is that in the system at these companies, data analyst is not considered a tech role. Thus, the salary is not reflective of a tech role salary, which means that your pay will be lower than tech roles in general. And those tech roles could be data engineer, data scientist, software engineer. And some of you might be like, this is unfair, but this is actually the reality. However, you're not going to find this out until you actually start working and you start realizing that this is how it is labeled in the system. Now, this information, I wish like more people knew about it before they jumping into the data analyst field. And to be honest, I find it a little bit unfair because no other non-tech role requires that you know coding, especially this much. As a data analyst, you get to spend a lot of your time writing SQL, sometimes Python. So why not consider it as a technical role and pay accordingly? I'm not sure why exactly it is the case. Maybe because it's SQL and a lot of people don't consider SQL as a coding language. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about SQL being a coding language? And